What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick update on Loopring. Sorry if the chart is a little bit messy, but believe me, I need all of what I can see. Right now Loopring is at a 4 billion market cap. So yeah, that's not too bad. Rank 47, there's still room for growth, I think, definitely for Loopring with its usage, project and the community behind it. But still, that's not nothing, and it will need quite a bit of volume to get above it. Has around, it's quite a bit of volume actually. Yeah, wow, over 3 billion. Yeah, so I definitely think that we can expect another bull run out of Loopring. Now Loopring is in kind of a consolidation. I'd say the real bounds of that consolidation are somewhat like this. So between 3.43 and 2.37. To be honest, in my opinion, the most realistic scenario would be another bull run. Maybe not right now, immediately, but if we see a couple more touches off of this trend line, you can see here. So drawn from the bottom right there. So if, for example, price now retraces to the trend line again, finds support at 2.84, which is a strong support level. So I definitely think it will find support there. It already did right here. And if it then breaks through the 3.03 resistance, maybe finds a resistance here at 3.42, the upper bound of the consolidation in my opinion, and these were just outliers. And if it then finds support on it again, maybe at the height of 3.21, maybe it will drop down a little bit more to 3.03 again, because that's such a strong support. I definitely think we can break above this 3.85 level, because to be honest, that is the all-time high, first of all, but there's also a big resistance area there with a 5 fib, which you cannot see, but that was quite a strong fib. I mean, the other levels of that Fibonacci retracement and extension were respected quite well, so I definitely do think that this might cause some resistance, but in the most bullish case scenario we would just break straight through and find a break retest anywhere between 3.85 and 3.75. Then I think the next area where Loopring will find resistance will be around 4.8. That would be 1.0 against its last resistance here at 3.8, together with a fib. So and a fib a little bit under that, so already there probably some sell limits will be placed, causing me to believe that 4.8 will be the next resistance. And that doesn't mean that from there the price will drop down all the way, but maybe something like this, you know, will happen again up there. But yeah, that's really the bullish case scenario, which I think is possible, but I also feel like there's a little bit more bearish sentiment in the market, so this might struggle a little bit. So yeah, it could also be that we need to have one more touch off of the lower bound of the consolidation before ultimately doing this, and that will form another trend line such as this, and probably a couple of touches later on that trend line will be enough of a catalyst for another bull run. So then we'll probably see something like this. This is very difficult to predict so far in the future, but something like this, and then the same as what happens here. That could be too, but that would only be in the case of some more bearish sentiment. So when that scenario will play in is most likely when we see a lot of resistance here from 3.41. So if from 3.41 we will drop all the way down to 2.81, then probably we will stay in this consolidation. So keep those levels in mind. But yeah, as for now, I think this is really the most realistic scenario. It probably won't happen in such direct, straight up moves like this. You might find resistance and support at the important levels a little bit more. But yeah, I think in broader lines, this is definitely what could happen in the upcoming days, week, maybe 2 weeks, ultimately. Yeah, so yeah, that's my analysis on Loopring. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye!